This video shows how to use our range of adapters on our traditional manual and thermostatic radiator valves. The standard configuration for the valves as supplied is with a 1/2 inch BSP fitting and a 15mm compression fitting. Optional extras are available to change this configuration. If we remove the 1/2 inch BSP radiator coupler, this can be replaced with the 3/4 inch version. This allows the valve to be screwed into a 3/4 inch bushed radiator. For the inlets, we can remove the 15mm compression fitting and it can be replaced by a 22mm compression fitting, or the 22mm compression fitting can be removed. This leaves a 3/4 inch BSP thread, allowing it to be screwed onto iron pipe of the same size. If it's a 1/2 inch BSP iron pipe that's required, this reducing bush can also be fitted to allow that.